and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out some sample size products that I got from Target, kind of like a mini spa day slash I have some beauty products as well. Everything was under $20, so it came out to $20.93. Let me say that first. This is just a minimalist approach to trying new products without having to spend too much money, and it's from Target, which is great. I have here the EcoTools Total Perfecting Blender, and I am going to test it out and see how it works on a liquid foundation and also a cream one. So this is what it looks like. It's round on the bottom. There's a flat surface on this side and also a flat surface here, so you can get into specific spots. Face is currently bare and I just applied the Marc Jacobs Beauty Primer. So I'm going to go in with my first foundation. I'm going to try the Ben Nye. Don't get on me if this is not the right color. I just wanted to choose two different types of foundations to test it out. So this is a cream foundation. It comes out like this. Yeah, if it's not the right color, this was a summer shade, whatever, but I'm gonna do half of my face. So I'm gonna use this side for the Ben Nye, and then on the other side, I'm gonna use my Kat Von D Lock-It foundation. So this is a liquid one. So we're gonna go in with this one first, and let's see. So I'll just dip it right in here and kind of like swish it around. I did about this much, and then I'm just going to apply and see how it works out. When I get knockoff beauty blenders is that the product goes more into the sponge and not onto my face, so I'm hoping that this one is not the case. So far it seems really good. Easy to blend out, easy to get right under my eye, which is awesome. It does pretty good, I would say. So I felt like that did really well going onto the skin. Now I'm gonna try it with the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation. Just see what happens if I put it right directly on here and apply. And this foundation is much heavier than the other one, so let's see what that does. If you are looking for a beauty sponge, I definitely would recommend this. Looking at this, I don't feel like my product ended up going into the beauty sponge, but it actually went onto my face. It feels pretty good. I didn't have any makeup remover solution on me, but this actually rinsed out really well with just water. And now on to some face treatments. I'm going to start by using this clay to cream cleanser, and then I'm going to go in with this bubble mask. Anybody else always forget that Shea Moisture has skincare products? What I liked about this cleanser is that it was really gentle and calming, and my skin has responded really well to it. I didn't even know e.l.f. made masks, but this is supposed to be a detoxifying bubble mask, which is kind of exciting. I absolutely love sheet masks. These are my favorite things ever since I went to Korea. I never really knew about them before then, and now they've really come over to America and they're like a really big trend. It smells like bubbles. Oh, and it's like bubbly right away. All right, so I'm gonna leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes. So it's a charcoal infused mask, bubbles when exposed to air and helps draw out dirt and impurities for a restored complexion. So that's great. Well, here's how the mask looks. It really like foams up, which I think is so cool. The only thing is that it does slide down a little bit, so I'm trying to protect my lips. But this is awesome. It smells so nice, so light feeling on the face. I love the little sud. Yeah, so I'll show you guys what it looks like after I am finished. That was extremely cool. I loved that, especially if you're in that like I want to pamper myself mood. Now this I was so excited about. This is the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Mask. It is super thick, which is exactly what I need. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you'll know that I rarely do hair masks, but I am trying to get better. This one definitely gave me the incentive. My hair was so defined while I was even using the mask. I loved it. So I just washed out the mask and I am so impressed. First of all, if you have thin hair, I wouldn't recommend the mask because it's actually very thick. It was perfect for my hair. As you can see, my hair is very thick and it gave it so much moisture, it brought back so much life. My hair is actually clumped when I was washing it out. I was very surprised by that. I used the whole thing up. You probably don't have to. I could have used less, but I don't know, I just wanted my hair to lap up all that moisture. My hair feels great right now. Definitely happy that I tried out this mask, and now on to the grand finale. Okay, so today I'm gonna be trying the Underarm deodorant wipes. If you know me or if you've seen my channel, you see that I'm always looking for a natural deodorant or something that will work with my active lifestyle. And currently I'm using Lumi and KOPARI and I love them, but I thought this was really cool. So supposedly you can swipe these on and you should be good to go, and you can also use them on the go, which is why they're in this nice little travel pack. So this comes with 10 pre-moistened towelettes, and it says it's odor neutralizing with coconut milk and essential oils. So this is from Pacifica. I'm gonna be dancing today, so I'm going to try this out. Let's see. I think I definitely smell the coconut oil. I can't tell, but it's a wipe like this, and I'm just gonna wipe under my arms. I don't know how long you should wipe it for. I smell it. All right, so we'll just do that. And then over here, doesn't feel like there's anything on. I don't feel any wetness. The towelette is wet, but it doesn't feel like that weird feeling that you guys know I don't like. Okay, that was it. If you can hear my voice, like I'm a little skeptical because it just seemed like very quick, but maybe that's a good thing. Actually, will carry these with me to rehearsal just in case I sweat it all off and I need another go at it, but so far that was pretty easy. Doesn't feel like anything going on, just feels like a wipe, and that's it. I can smell it under my arm. It's a nice fresh smell, nothing too crazy. Okay guys, so I wanted to give a little update on the deodorant wipes. I love them. I just got out of a 5-hour rehearsal, dance rehearsal, and I didn't feel gross or smelly at all. Even when I started to sweat a little whilst working out, I didn't feel the wetness, and you guys know I hate that wet feeling with my deodorants. I didn't feel that at all. It felt absolutely fine. I didn't feel worried or anything about the smell. It's been such a long time since I've had a deodorant or deodorant wipe that felt that way. So I was just really, really happy. It made me not have to think about deodorants the whole time that I was wearing it. I'm gonna give it another try in a fitness class or a dance class where I'm really exerting myself and like pouring with sweat and see how it does. Okay, so I just got out of yoga and I tried those deodorant wipes and they're amazing. Like, they just broke the internet for me. They beat out Lumi, they beat out KOPARI. The Pacifica deodorant wipes are amazing. Like, yes, I sweat, of course, but I didn't have that wet, sweaty feeling under my armpits that I was saying that I've been having in the other deodorants that I've tried. I'm just so shook right now. Like, does Pacifica have a natural deodorant? Because I'm about to buy that immediately. It was so perfect. I just did another wipe because I'm about to take jazz class, and so I want to make sure that I like have a clean slate. But even after, like, I didn't smell my BO unless I like stuck my nose right under my armpit, whereas last time, like, I could smell the KOPARI when I sweat, I could smell the Lumi when I sweat, but this deodorant wipe is truly amazing. The only thing is, you know, I get crazy with the scents. There is this, I guess it's the coconut scent. There's this little underlying sweet scent. Kind of smells like a baby smell, which babies smell really nice, but no, this is like a weird, kind of, it smells like yogurt, like a little bit of a yogurt scent. And it does bother me like a hair, but again, this deodorant is amazing, so I don't really care. I think in terms of scent, the KOPARI smells the best, then this one, and then the Lumi, but as someone had told me before, the Lumi does come unscented. But again, the feeling under my pits from this wipe is truly amazing, and I can't even like believe it. So I'm gonna try it again for my other class, but I'm already sold. Like, and the only thing is that was a trial size, so there's only 10 in there. And the whole like use a wipe and throw away I don't love, because that's wasteful. So I'm really hoping that Pacifica has a deodorant or something of the sort, or I'll just consider that my one-off that I will use, because it was so good and it felt like the answer to my prayers. Anyone that has
deodorant issues or wants to find a deodorant that's good for on the go, that actually works, that you absolutely love, I give it a 10,000 hands thumbs up.
So that's everything that I tried out. I hope you enjoyed this video. What other products would you like to try out from Target? And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.